Hey everyone, welcome back to your fitness expert Ankit channel. Today we are talking about something that is rarely discussed: healthy weight gain. We often hear about losing weight, but what about people who struggle to gain it the right way? Let's break down what healthy weight gain really means, why it is so tricky, and why some people end up gaining a belly instead of muscle mass. Part 1: What is healthy weight gain? So, what exactly is healthy weight gain? It is not just about eating more, it is about increasing your body weight through lean muscle, not fat. Healthy weight gain focus on proper nutrition, strength training, and gradual progress. The goal is to build muscle, improve strength, and maintain good metabolism, not just to see the number on scale go up. Part 2: How it's different from weight loss. Now, how it is different from weight loss? When you are losing weight, your body is in calories deficit. You eat less than you burn. But for weight gain, you need a calorie surplus, eating more than you burn. And that is where the challenge starts. The body resists quick changes, it prefers to stay in balance. And while there are countless weight loss diet, there is much less structure guidance on gaining weight in a healthy way. Part 3: Why healthy weight gain is so difficult. Here is why it is tough. Fast metabolism. Some people burn calories faster than others even at rest. Second, low appetite. Eating enough calories every day can actually be exhausting. Third, wrong food choices. Junk food may increase weight but not in a healthy way. Fourth, inconsistent training. Without resistant training, most of the extra calories turn into fat, not muscle. So, yes, gaining. Part 4: Why some people gain a pot belly instead of muscle. Let's talk about that pot belly issue. When you start eating more calories but don't work out properly, your body stored extra energy as visceral fat, especially around the abdomen. This happens if you eat more carbs and fats than protein. You skip training, you led a sedentary lifestyle. Instead of building muscle, you end up storing fat around your stomach. Now let's talk about how we can avoid gaining pot belly. The fix: eat protein rich food like egg, paneer, lentils, chicken, and nuts. Focus on strength or resistance training, not just cardio. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Both affects muscles recovery and fat storage. So remember, healthy weight gain takes time, patience, and consistency. Don't just chase calories, chase nutrition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness and healthy tips, and comment below your biggest struggle with gaining weight in a healthy way. See you in the next one. Thank you.